Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we are getting dressed to go to Italy. And by Italy I mean the Italian restaurant down the road from me, because I'm a suburban mom. I don't know, I got this comment the other day on my vlog channel about how I used to be more fun and exciting and my life was more exciting, and you know what? It was. But now we're in a stage of life where I am very much so a suburban mom, and I've never said that out loud until just now. So we're gonna embrace it. We actually are picking up my son from daycare to go get his hair cut, and then we're going to an Italian restaurant. We're sitting on the patio, and I still wanted to dress cute. So let's do it. Let's get dressed together. I haven't done one of these in a hot minute. I have my rollers just setting in my hair, my makeup's done, and I decided to put up my little satiny silk robe since I don't need my big fluffy one because it's like 90 degrees outside. The weather is finally starting to like clear up a bit in Illinois. The weather has been horrible, like the quality of the air. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna book a patio. We're gonna sit outside. We're just really gonna soak up some summer, okay? So let's get dressed. I'm gonna start. I kind of have an idea of what I want to wear. I want to go very summery, but also I'm gonna wear black. Black and white has been literally my jam this year. I'm like already obsessed with it. And there is one item in here that I'm gonna wear, you guys. You're gonna hate me. I swear I might get so much hate for it, but I don't care. I'm excited for it, okay? So we're gonna go with black linen shorts. I love these. I was gonna wear my white ones, but then I decided against it, I think. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. But for now, my black linen shorts, I just got these from H&M a while ago. Not a while ago, this season. But black linen shorts, I'm thinking they'll show less wrinkles. And also it's like pasta. So do I want to like risk pasta dumping on my pants, you know? I think not. We're trying out this new, it's not new, but new to us. We've never tried it. I have a hair on my face. It's driving me nuts. Chicago Prime Italian. Scott has been wanting to go for a while, and I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna book it. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna take you on a date, okay? Let's normalize that. All right, let's put jewelry on because I feel naked right now. Little earrings. If you live in a suburb, but you're kind of like a fashiony girl, do you still dress up to go out? Like I sometimes do, it depends. That's why I love Neilani, going out with Neilani, because Neilani always dresses up, like always. She always looks so cute. And I always like want to, but I feel like 90% of the time I just go with jeans and a tank or jeans and a tee. But tonight I was just like, you know what? Let's just elevate it a little bit. Let's just get a little fancy. It is 89 degrees outside and very humid. So that's why I didn't do anything with my hair besides just throw these. So I got this tank also from H&M. I hadn't decided if I was going to keep it or not, but it's growing on me. I like it. So let's put it on. Can I wear a regular bra with this? Yes, I can. Okay. Okay. It's cute. It's giving prison. Kidding. All right. Let's accessorize real quick with the Apple Watch. I'm obsessed with this watch. I really don't wear my MVMT one anymore, but I only wear this one now. Okay, next thing, some bracelets. I was just watching this video on TikTok of this girl who got what was called sticker, like a sticker sleeve, and I was like, that is the cutest thing in the world. I don't know if I've ever said this, but back when I was in college, I always wanted to like just do a sleeve. If only I could like not commit to it forever. Like I could just do like a small, like do it for like a couple months and then be done with it. But you can't do that because tattoo's opponent. But it was just like little like small tattoos like all up and down her arm. But they looked like stickers. They were just so cute. And I was like, oh my God, so cute. But Scott's sister is like a pretty famous tattoo artist. And I kind of want to get a tattoo from her at some point. I have two. I don't love either one of them, but I have two. My tank is like all up in my, it's not flat. Okay, before, all right, so before I remove my hair throw on an accessory that is going to drive some of y'all nuts and throw on my shoes, let's take a minute to say thank you to today's sponsor, which is Dossier. You guys know my love affair with Dossier runs deep, 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 deep. It's pretty much the only fragrances that I wear now. I love them. They have replicas of so many of the top luxury perfumes and fragrances for men and women. You are bound to find something that you like. I have to take these out of my hair because I can't take myself seriously. Oh, that gives some volume. But I've been wearing them for almost a year now, I want to say, and I can't say enough good things about it. So I wanted to share with you what 3 fragrances I picked up for this month after I get rid of this guy. And they also provided me with a coupon code, so I will leave that on the screen as well as linked down below. Good. Okay, so I got 3 new fragrances. I've been trying to build up my spring summer fragrances. Why am I still saying spring? It's officially summer. My summer fragrances, but mostly summer evening fragrances, which is why I thought this would be cute because we're doing dinner. So first one I got was the Gourmand Patchouli, which has notes of mandarin berries, passion fruit, patchouli, honey, plum, caramel, vanilla, and cocoa. And this is by the Thierry Mugler Alien Eau de Parfum. I thought I had this, but I didn't. This is such a nighttime fragrance. Really rich with the patchouli. Super nice. I don't know if I'm going to wear this one. Let's smell them all to decide. Next one I got was Musky Musk, and this was one of my favorite fragrances when I worked for Sephora. This is a replica of Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. This has notes, top notes of none. And I can't even say the rest. So it is such a unique scent. I can't even explain it. And they literally, I can't read the notes either. So musk. But I love this smell and I'm so excited to have it in my collection. I don't think I will ever buy like real fragrances ever again. Dossier just does it. They do it so well. And then the last one I got, I actually own the real version of this. This is Woody Freesia. So it's got top notes of freesia, blackcurrant, strawberry, rose, jasmine, peach, patchouli, vanilla, blonde woods, and musk. I went through all the notes if you can tell. But this is Giorgio Armani, the C Eau de Parfum. The peach. I smell the peach. I love peach. Okay, I'm actually gonna go with Musky Musk though. The Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. And these fragrances are so smell so good. Oh, it's so good. All right. So again, if you haven't checked out Dossier and you're looking to build up your fragrance collection or just sick of paying for the luxury price tag, definitely check out Dossier. You guys know I love a good deal. I love a dupe. I love all of it. So I cannot say enough good things about Dossier and I'm so excited for new fragrances. And the Musky Musk is one of my top picks. It literally smells so good. But they've got everything you can possibly imagine. So check them out. I will have all the links in the description box down below, as well as a code that you can use. And yeah, thanks for Dossier for partnering with me on today's video. My hair is looking dirty. Okay, we're about to get real controversial, okay? You guys are gonna hate this, but I love it. This is a sweater that is not, like, it's literally just designed to go over your shoulders. It's not a real sweater. I know, but this is the thing. It's 90 degrees outside. I'm never gonna wear it, right? I'm not gonna put a real sweater on. So for that point, I loved this idea. And then it got even better when I felt it. When I got it in the mail the other day, I was like, this feels so nice. I love this. And then I was like playing around with it and I realized it has a little hole in it. Wait for it. Wait for it. I don't know if this is what it's for, but I'm guessing. I'm obsessed! So it literally looks like it's tied. How can you not love this? I call it my Superman cape. Now you see me, now you don't. It's little things, okay? I'm actually pretty pumped about this though, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's so freaking cute. I bet Scott's gonna make fun of me, but I don't care. I love it. Okay, let's stick with the black and white theme. See, it's still like casual because it's like a tank and shorts, right? So it says like sipping a glass of wine on a patio. You know, that's what it says. Oh, also we just went to, where did we go? To this place. What's it called? I need to look it up. South Barrington. We went to this, like, the plaza in South Barrington when we saw the new Elemental movie, and which Scott hated that movie, but we went to Hampton Social in South Barrington. If you guys know of other restaurants that are similar to that, I was thinking of it because we went there the other night and I really thought it was such a cute vibe. I want to know. I need to know more restaurants like that. So let me know if you're from the area. More restaurants like that. I'm always surprised to know that more of you are from this area or know this area. But South Barrington was pretty cute. So anyway, let's put on some socks and shoes. I have been in love with my Adidas Samba. I really want, I'm on, again, like 17 wait lists to get the platform Samba, but I want the green with the pink heel. I don't know if my dream's gonna come true, but I really want them. And then I have a sneaker wish list right now, which I don't normally have. The just classic New Balance, which I can get those, that's no big deal. But we've been buying Arlo them. He has the gray pair now, and I just got him this new colorway, which I think is so cute. You know, I used to think it was color wave and not colorway. There are so many things that, like, my brain, what was it the other day that Scott called me out on? I don't know. Oh, I used to think it was high as mighty, not high and mighty. Yeah, but anyway, I will leave the colorway, not wave, on the screen because it's so freaking cute, and I want a pair now so we can match. This makes me so incredibly happy. I swear Scott's gonna make fun of me. I need to, like, pinch my bra straps back though, I think, because this side is, like, weirdly longer than the other side. But that's why this sweater comes in handy. I hate seeing bra straps. It's one of my biggest pet peeves. I don't know why, it just really cheapens the look, you know? We're not going for cheap. Cape, prison, linen shorts, soccer. It's totally giving suburban. No, it's not, but I don't care. I love it. I love it. Let's go get my son's haircut and go eat pasta. And then we'll probably go to Culver's for dessert because I bought this, like, coupon book from a random stranger. It was legit, don't worry. I used a credit card that I could easily cancel. It wasn't. And that I rarely use, so I would notice if somebody stole it. You should notice anyways, but you know what I mean. And it was legit. But it's like buy one, get one Culver's ice cream. There was like 6 of them, and I was like, that's worth it. I just got these glasses actually from Amazon, and I'm feeling these. They're cute. I'm really in my new sunglass era. I feel like I don't normally get new sunglasses, but I think these are kind of cool. Got them on Amazon, super affordable. And I was right, Scott hates it. Hates my little scarf or cape. He literally went like this and choked me. So who cares what he thinks, right? I'm still gonna wear it. And y'all probably hate it too, but again, I'm gonna do me.